Setting up your Verizon Fios Wi-Fi extender starts by plugging it in. Next, use the MyFios app on your iOS or Android device to pair the extender with your router. You can pair via WPS by pressing the WPS button on both your router and extender. Alternatively, connect the extender to your router using an Ethernet cable for a stable connection. Then follow the app prompts. Once paired, the extender clones your router's Wi-Fi name and password, creating a seamless network. The entire process should take less than 5 minutes, thanks to streamlined QR code pairing. For optimal coverage, place the extender strategically, ideally within 30 to 50 feet of your router, away from walls, microwaves, and other obstacles. Elevate the extender for better signal distribution. Use the MyFios app to run speed tests and monitor signal strength. Aim for -50 dBmers or better. For high bandwidth activities like streaming or gaming, prioritize the 5 GHz band. Enable WPA3 encryption and guest networks for enhanced security. If you experience connectivity issues, try resetting the extender. If problems persist, ensure your router's firmware is up to date and check for potential IP conflicts. If all fails, contact Verizon support.